Hello guys, in this video I brought you two main important things, and the first one is how you can create a wonderful designs using Python programming language, and the second one is how you can earn money with Google Mate, which is launched recently. Without wasting any time, let me introduce myself. My name is Ravant. Welcome to my channel Be Anonymous. And without wasting any time, let's go into our project. And this is the Python window. Here I created a design.py file, and to create any design or to create the design I am using the turtle module, writing the command import turtle, and you can import this turtle or you can download this module by simply clicking the pip.install turtle. As in Python 3 it is already given and pre-installed, so there is no need to install the turtle module again. Here I imported the turtle. Now I need some of the colors. For that I am writing red, yellow, green, purple, orange, 5 colors, and then at last blue. These are my 6 colors. Now I need to set up pen. I'm using turtle.pen command, and I need the speed to be 10. I need to set up the background color, which should be black. Now while coming to the main loop, I need the range to be at least 250. Then the first thing I have to do is colors, because after these 6 colors it should be repeated again. For that I am using the command x modulo 6, and which should be increased and then after first it would be move forward and the x represents 1 2 3 so on 250. Now the left is move 59. Now the program is done. Now after running the commands you can see this. You can see how this wonderful design is created. Let's stop it. And the second design I am going to show you is this one, and don't fear with this code. This code is very simple. As you can see, these all are represented in the matrix form, or we can say 3 row formula. In the 3 row, each element represents RGB, means red, green and blue. I needed reddish color, so the first should be the 1, and you can change the second color by changing some elements like 0.15 or 0.17 as I represented here. I used 4 colors: red, orange, yellow, green and blue. This is my loop. Now the background color is black and speed is 0. I will run this code. This is the design. Hello guys, now I am going to show how you can earn money with Google Meet app, which is launched recently. For that, open the Play Store. In the search bar, write Google TaskMate. The second app is the TaskMate. It is in a developer condition. Just for early access, we need PIN. So whenever I get PIN or you will get PIN, you can access through it and earn money through this Google Meet app. Here you can see by simply taking the photos or walking the 5 minutes, you are earning the money. In this one, recording the spoken sentence, here they are given 100 tasks, but by completing the 10 tasks you will get the $20 or $0.20, which is very interesting. And this is a 10 sentence given. Just reading the sentence you will be earning the money. Here see, they have earned $12.40, which is approved. There are also badges this way, like bronze, silver, gold and platinum, and accuracy level is shown in this way. Through this Google Meet you can earn money. That's it guys.
Peace.